Well, hello, how's it going? And blessings to you, my wonderful crypto bliss community. Thank you for being here with me, Kiara DeCass, today on the show. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we've obviously got some cool news to share with you in the video today. And please keep a very close eye out and a close post for the next videos that I'm going to be doing, the next millionaire videos that I'm going to be doing. You can see that I've done some pretty cool content over the past little while that's got quite a few hits. So definitely, I mean, look at that. That's doing super well there. So thank you very much to you guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't be hitting the beautiful, beautiful views that I am here on my channel and the community. So thank you guys, all in abundance. Really, you guys are all rock stars. So give yourself a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, please. And yeah, continue to support the channel and the community. And let's continue to grow together, you beautiful souls. So today is my last day on my fast. I will be breaking my fast later today. I'll be starting off with a juicy, delicious mango. And then I will have a light, delicious smoothie a little bit later on. And then that's pretty much that for the day. So yeah, guys, thank you for being here with me today. And let's get out and rock the show today, because we are pumping. Everything is doing well in the crypto space. But I am going to show you one thing that that might deter us from where we are at the moment. So let's go and have a look at today's cryptocurrency market cap. So we are currently sitting at $1.114 trillion on the market cap, guys. Give yourself a round of applause. Give the community a round of applause. Well done. That's amazing. Each one of you that are investing in the space are part of that journey. So that is a phenomenal aspect, because I was saying to you that we should get up kind of around to the $1.3 trillion market cap, but I'm not so sure just yet, but that is my target before we start to see a little bit of a turn back down, which would take us probably back up to the 25K level on Bitcoin, maybe 26K level at the most. But 25K level, as I said to you, is the place that you want to look at to return for resistance, where we might end up having a bit of a sellout at that point. So I think a lot of people are expecting that. So yeah, just be cautious at that level. Today's trading volume is nearly 70 billion. Bitcoin price for the day is 23,702. We're up 2.1% on Bitcoin for the day. Ethereum is 1631. BNB is 314. Cardano is 39 cents. Dogecoin 8.8 cents. Polygon $1.16. That's amazing. Look at that pump there. Wow. OKB has also been pumping. $39.25. Solana 25.45. I thought Solana would have come down a little bit by now, but obviously it's stronger than we all believe and we think. So yeah, this is what I mean about the crypto space, is that there is fundamentally strong aspects in the entire crypto space that shows us that we have beautiful magic here, and that certain projects that are being fighted against are not really like they can handle the beating. Excuse me, my mouth's a bit dry. I can handle the beating there. So yeah, 653 on Polkadot, Shiba 1200, Litecoin, wow, Litecoin is pumped, 95. Avalanche 20.06, we've pumped 18%. So I'll show you guys. I'll do another video later where I just show you guys my trades in the chart. On the Bybit, on the small account, so that we can show you how to build small accounts, guys. I mean, I've taken that account up a couple hundred times from zero to, you know, like $300-400 every single time that the account pushes up. So well done to me, to you, because if you're following me, you'll know when we do this, guys. Avalanche, and the last one, Uniswap 685, Chainlink 727. So Chainlink is amazing, guys. Let's get straight into today's crypto market cap. Today we're sitting at 61. We're in the greed side. Now this, we've been in greed since yesterday. Last week we were neutral. And I believe that today is the 11th day where we are now officially out of the extreme fear side, which is fantastic. Now, guys, if this starts going into extreme greed, which it is likely if it gets up to 25K, that's the point you're going to want to take some profits. You're going to want to take some profits. it doesn't sit in greed for long. It sits in fear for long. So greed will be there maybe for a little while, and then if we have extreme greed, that might just really cause a signal in the market to really turn the market down and find some resistance there at that point. So look at this. Harmony's pumping, Bico, Elon, Illuvium's pumping, Floki, Baby Dodge, Remix. I don't know some of these coins, but Glimmer's up, Wi-Fi's up, Quantum's up, ONT's up. I don't know some of these, but yeah, I mean, the bubbles are looking pretty good. As you can see there, we've got pretty decent, wow. Check out this. Helium is officially up 82% for the month. Wow. What's this? Threshold, 202% for the month. That's crazy, guys. Wow. I mean, that's for the month. Look at the year. So the year's still down. The month is still down. The week is somewhat pushing back up. But yeah, other than that, guys, we're looking decent on the charts here. Is there any news that we have to look at? Yes and no. So the only one, as I said, Bitcoin stays out of fear for 11 straight days as price tips near 24K. And then basically, let's come on to some regulatory stuff, because, guys, I'm sure you have seen this, but the elites are trying to prevent Bitcoin from going higher. They're trying to crash Bitcoin. They're trying to crash crypto. The certain elites, not all elites, some elites like Michael Saylor, Elon Musk, I'm sure they all want to buy crypto at the lowest possible points because they know. So at least they were smart enough to buy. But the guys that are not getting in early enough are really obviously struggling with the way that the volatility is moving in Bitcoin and in crypto, actually. So Philippine security regulator seeks more authority to police crypto in the industry. Aussie regulator flagged concerns about FTX months before collapse report. Panama Supreme Court to rule on cryptocurrency legislation. South Korea to deploy cryptocurrency tracking system in 23. Genesis Capital's fall might transform crypto lending, not bury it. The IRS reminds taxpayers of crypto income reporting ahead of 2022 filing. The White House cryptocurrency roadmap recommends against pension funds. That's very interesting, because obviously there's a lot of pension funds, including through the Genesis Capital, that has obviously bought into crypto. So very interesting. US prosecutors seek to ban SBF from Signal after alleged witness contact. Signal. Okay, that's interesting. Fed policy to align bank oversight could limit crypto activities by state banks. That's state banks. Let's see what happens with crypto banks, guys. And maybe crypto banks might be the future of banking as well. So who knows? But at the end of the day, there is obviously a lot of news coming into the market. Let's push pause there. I like listening to Eminem in the background and Wiz Khalifa and all kinds of things to get my motivation going for the work that I do during the day. So hope you're enjoying this content. Let's get on to the Bitcoin chart, guys. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 4 hour. We pushed, we broke up, we closed the candle above that high there. So for me, yes, we're sitting here. We're going to wait for the ribbon to catch up, and then we'll probably make our next move up, break this next high, and push up here to the 25K level. Now look at that. That's not too far away, guys. The red line is my actual point. So that's 25,400. But for me, I'll probably be taking profits around the 25,000 mark. So let's go and see there, because obviously we've got this turning down, the RSI and the stochastic turning down. But let's go and see how the weekly candle closed. And actually, let's go and look at it on a bit more of a clear chart. Okay, as you can see here on the 4 hour on the moving averages, we are bouncing off of the 20 moving average, which is a good sign, guys. We've tested, we've found some support, heavy support on it all the way here. So for me, that's definitely going to push more up. On the daily candle, today we were a little bit down, but yesterday's candle had a very nice strong push up. Although the daily candle didn't close above that high, which is now obviously a little bit more of a concern for me and the traders in the space. We could see that we may end up pulling back if we don't get any further. Now, let's have a look here, because this weekly candle over here has pretty much closed above last week's candle, which is phenomenal, which means that there could still be some bullish momentum. Our price point, as I said, here's my take profit level, which coincides with now the golden, the death cross, excuse me, not the golden cross, the death cross, and then of course the 200 moving average, which is very powerful. So 25K is my level, 24,900, guys. That's the level you want to be taking some profits at. If it pushes up there. If it doesn't push up there and we're starting to be rejected at this small level because of this resistance over here, then that would probably be the next best place to take profits. Okay. The Dixie is really looking like it wants to push up out of this and break up out of this wedge, but it's still meeting some resistance. This candle wasn't engulfing. We're starting to meet an oversold on the stochastic. I mean, overbought on the stochastic, overbought on the RSI. So we could end up coming back down somewhere down here yet again, guys. And that's a strong support level at the 101.60 level. So let's go and see what happens there for the rest of the day today when the markets open. And of course, SPX, I can't really give you much information, although we've had a decent enough pullback here on the 1 hourly time frame, which was how the candle closed on the weekly. But if you go and have a look at the weekly, the candle closed pretty strong in terms of volume. So it engulfed these candles, it engulfed those two candles, it didn't engulf that one. So that may be a little bit of a concern, but let's see. We've broken out. The weekly is now above the ribbon, and we're above the descending wedge pattern, which, look at that, is a clear breakout, is very strong, but it could end up being a fake out. Let's see what happens this week, although I do believe we'll see some bullish action in the markets. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up for me. Say how's it to me down below in the comments. Let me know what it is that you want to find out in crypto, and let's see how we can help build this wonderful community together. Other than that, go and have a really special, awesome Monday today.